Hey guys, so it's me and my friend Christina
And Andy.
and my bro. So day number 4, I'm supposed to talk about my siblings. I have 2 siblings. He's one of them, and he has a twin.
Oh, touching me.
Talking about something that you said. Anyway, they're pretty cool. We get along most of the time. This is like moving. And
It's on your knee.
I know. It's because I
Put it down somewhere. Put it on the chair.
What's this for?
wait. I'm putting it on the chair.
What's this for?
Zengal. All right, that's so much better. All right. So yeah, we got along. We used to fight when they were younger and stuff. But now they don't snitch on me when I do shit like drink with my buddy. Hey.
That's me.
Yeah, that's us. We know. So they're pretty cool. And I got their back and they got mine. So I love them to death. I heart them. Andy, do a heart with me.
I hurt you, Liz.
Oh, I will heart you too. You're my brother. And my friend. I know she feels awesome.
I'm a sister in that way.
Sister. Bestie. So yeah, that's my day 4 blog. Peace. Wait, I should do it with his hands. I was like,